Good morning, children. Now we are moving towards the fourth topic of physiographic division of India. Previous three topics, northern mountains, northern plains and peninsular plateau, that we discussed in previous videos. Now we are moving towards our fourth topic, that is coastal plains. Right? Coastal plains of India exceeds up to Gulf of Kutch to the south up to Kanyakumari, and from there to it moves in the east direction from Kanyakumari to West Bengal. Right. This part is called coastal plains. Okay. Divisions of these coastal plains are the part. First we will discuss about the western part and then we will discuss about the eastern part. Right. So western part, that is extends, as I said, Gulf of it extends up to from Gulf of Kutch to these plains up to the Gulf of Khambat. These plains are called Kathiawar plains. That from Gulf of Khambat to Karnataka, these plains are called Konkan coast, and Goa is the main port here in Maharashtra, and from Karnataka to the last point of Kanyakumari, that part is called Malabar coast. Understood? From Gulf of Kutch to Gulf of Khambat, this part is called Kathiawar port. Then Gulf of Khambat to Karnataka, this part is called Konkan coast, and Mumbai, Goa, these are the major ports here, and then Malabar coast is the part of from Karnataka up to the Kanyakumari. So western coastal plains are divided into three parts, that are Kathiawar coast, Konkan coast and Malabar coast. Now in eastern part if we move, then from Kanyakumari to Tamil Nadu, this part is known as Coromandel coast, and from Tamil Nadu up to the West Bengal, this area is known as northern Sircars, and the higher land which is located here in the eastern part, that is called Utkal plains. Okay, so these coastal plains are divided into five major parts, that are Kathiawar port, Kathiawar coast, Konkan coast, Malabar coast, Coromandel coast and northern Sircars. As major lakes are also found here in the eastern part of eastern coastal plains, that are here Chilka lakes, and here in this coast of Tamil Nadu you can see Pulicat lakes. So these are the lakes also which found here. And next thing is that western coastal plains are narrower compared to the eastern coastal plains, because most of the rivers, especially the rivers like Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari and Mahanadi, they flows in eastern direction. So due to that, these plains are more fertile and these plains are wider compared to the western coastal plains, right? And natural ports are also there over here, right? Especially they are known as Northern Sirkar, and in the Tamil Nadu coast that are Coromandel coast. Okay, so these are the divisions of coastal plains, and these areas are important for the port view from the point view of locations of different ports which are used as international port, and second thing that these area is most important for fisheries, right?